Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to log in into your hi5 account. Now first of all, open the application on your mobile device. You are in the home page of hi5. Here you can see the options of continue with Google, and there's other options like continue with Facebook and email address. We're gonna skip this, and there you can see already a member. Log in. You tap on login. Now to log in, here you need to provide your email address and password for the account. There are other options of login as well, that's Google and Facebook. If you have linked your hi5 account with Google, you can tap on Google and you can get logged in into the account. It's the similar with the Facebook. If you have linked your hi5 account with the Facebook, you can tap on Facebook. But for this video, we are going through process of providing email address and password. Tap on email text field and type in your email address. Then tap on password text field, type in your password. Once it's done, you tap on login. And just like that, providing your email address and password for your account, you can get logged in into the hi5 account. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can log in into hi5 account by just few simple taps on your mobile device. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel, and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.